Hello all, this is Miss Emily, the Boulder High School librarian. Today we're going to be talking about Destiny Discover. Before we begin, let's talk a little bit about what Destiny Discover is. Destiny is what we call an online library catalog. It's a website that hosts lots of information about the resources that the library has. It is a comprehensive and organized list of all the library's holdings that students can use to locate and access books and other materials. You can use Destiny to do things like find a library book, determine if a book is checked out, write a review, or place a hold. We will discuss how to do all of these things during today's lesson. To enter Destiny, we'll need to access it through our BVSD ClassLink Launchpad. For more information about ClassLink and instructions on how to log in, you can watch Lesson 2.1 of our Computer Skills series. Once you're in ClassLink, you'll see a bunch of different icons that represent different school websites. The name of each website is written underneath each icon. To enter the library catalog, look for the blue Destiny Discover icon, which looks like a closed book. Click this icon once to enter Destiny. It may take a moment for the page to load. Once you enter Destiny, you will see the home page. The home page will show you several collections of library resources, as we can see here. In this top row here, we see a section labeled Learning Resources. This section includes icons that represent the various databases that the library provides access to. For instance, the Wall Street Journal, EBSCOhost Consumer Health, Gale in Context, and so on. You can click on each icon to automatically log into the database and access its content. Underneath this section, you will see several rows of book covers and titles. These are our featured book sections. The recently added section is always present, but the other featured sections will change throughout the year. If you look near the top left corner of each cover image, you will see an icon with a book on it. If the book is currently available for checkout, the icon will be green and say In. If the book is checked out right now, like this example here, we will see a red icon that says Out. Once the book returns, the icon will become green again. The homepage also features a section that is called Topics. If you click one of these icons, it will show you a list of books that belong to that genre. For example, if I click Fantasy, Destiny will load for a moment and then show me a list of fantasy books that the library has to offer. If you would like to return from the homepage from here, you can click the back button on your web browser or use the home icon right here. At the bottom of the homepage is another section labeled Learning Resources. It hosts the exact same content and works the exact same way as the Learning Resources section that we saw at the top of the homepage. So, what if I'm interested in a specific book? I can use the search bar that's always at the top of the page to find books. For example, let's say I'm looking for the book The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. I can click the search bar and type the name, author, or topic of the book. I will type The Hobbit, since that is the title of the book I want. Once I am finished typing, I can either press the Enter key on my keyboard or the search icon with the magnifying glass to the right of the search bar. Destiny will then give me a list of results related to my search. On the search results page, you will see the same status icon on each book's cover that we saw on the home page. This icon will tell us if a book is checked in or if it is checked out. If you want to see more information about a book, I can either click on the cover image or the title of the book. This will bring up a menu on the right-hand side of the page that gives us additional information about that title. What if I'm interested in placing a hold on this book to make sure nobody else can check it out before I'm able to get to the library? You can do this by clicking the button that says Hold next to the image of the book's title, either on this menu here or right here. Once you click this button, you will see a prompt at the bottom of the screen that tells you how long the book will be held for you. You can then pick the book up at the library anytime. Let's say I finished reading The Hobbit and I really enjoyed it, or maybe I really hated it. Either way, I might be interested in writing a review to let other students know what I thought of it. In that case, I will need to click the button on the bottom of the menu that says View More Details. This will give me much more information about the book, such as a summary and other things like a list of awards that the book has won, and a list of copies in the library at Boulder High School, as well as copies at other schools in the district. Near the top of the page, there is a blue icon that says Add Review with a plus sign on it. Once you click this button, a menu will appear on the right-hand side of the page. Through this menu, you can rate the book, type your review, and even link to a review of the book from a different website. Click the box you want to type in, and then add text by typing on your keyboard. Only type in this box labeled Title for Digital Review if you intend to link to an external review, since this box serves as the title of the linked page rather than the title of the review that you're writing here in Destiny. So, if you intend to add a URL here, you can include a title, but otherwise, skip it. Once you are finished with your review, you can click the Submit Review button at the bottom of the page, and your review will appear whenever someone looks at the book in Destiny. Your review will be anonymous and will not include your name. My name is only included since I am a teacher rather than a student. When you add a review, please make sure the content of your review is school appropriate or it will be removed by library staff. If you have additional questions about Destiny and its functions, please come visit us at the library main desk. We are happy to answer any questions that you have about our catalog and Destiny Discover. Thank you very much for watching.